Ghosts, spiders, and mummies are going to be in today's video. Are you ready? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So excited for today's video. We are going to be decorating for Halloween, some decorations that you can do using Dollar Tree items, and I'm so happy and proud about these projects. I love how everything turned out with a high-end look but extremely budget friendly. And guys, this is the first time that I'm doing a Halloween theme DIY video for you. I'm nervous, but I hope that you like it, and if you do, please hit that big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel, and that way I can know if you like these type of videos. Maybe I can do more, maybe not. Let me know that in the comments too. And also, I'm super happy to say that this video is sponsored by Hoover. Thank you so much. Are you ready for some Halloween DIY decoration? Because I am. Let's DIY together. For this project, you are going to need one of these long signs from Dollar Tree, and they come for every season. Mine are from the Halloween section. And I'm also going to be using these crepe streamer from Dollar Tree in white color because I want to create a mummy. So what I'm going to do is to add a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm just going to start to roll over my sign. And my goal was to cover the whole sign with these, making sure that looks nice and you cannot see any of the sign. If you want, you can leave your mommy as it is, super white, but I decided to go with some wax in antique color and with a brush, and I start to paint just to give it like a very rustic look, and I love the look of that, but you can leave it very simple, just white. From there, I'm going to start working on the eyes, and I want to make some really cute eyes, so I use a piece of cardboard. I draw them myself and then I cut them, and I'm going to stick that on one side on the top of my sign. Next, if you want, you can also leave it like that, but I decide to cover the eyes just a little bit to make it look, I don't know, maybe cuter and a little bit more, not realistic, but I don't know, just cute and better. So I decide to cover the eyes just a little bit with a crepe streamer, and then I go over with the paint and I paint those parts too to make it match with the rest of my project. Once I was done, this is how the first mummy looks like, and I decided to create another one, but this time I decided to use another sign from Dollar Tree. This one is a little bit smaller, and I love that because I can have two different mummies in different sizes. I did the same steps as the other mummy. I just covered the whole piece with the crepe streamer, and then I made some eyes, I stick them, and then I'm just going to paint over my mummy using some wax in antique color. Again, you don't have to paint these, but I think it looks a little bit more rustic, and that's the style I was looking for. I put these on my fireplace. This is how my project turned out. I absolutely love the way it turned out, and it was so easy and a budget. It looks high-end, and I can be more happy with this project. For the next project, you are going to need this black floor mat from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using some tape. The tape is just going to help me to get a better idea of where I need to draw my lines, because I have to draw about 5 lines on this floor mat, and they need to be as straight as possible. So the tape is going to help me a lot to create them. Okay, I'm going to be using some chalk paint in white color to paint the lines, and just a normal brush. like I said, I'm going to create 5 straight lines around my floor mat, and then I want to create like a spider web, and it is super easy. As you can see, if you have a Cricut, you can use that to make a stencil, and it's going to be so much easier. But you can also create a spider web without using your Cricut, and it is super easy, just some paint and your floor mat. Once I draw my spider web, you can leave your floor mat as it is, like a square shape, but I decided to make something different and really cool. I'm going to cut my mat and make it look like a spider web on the edges. So you can do that, or you can leave it as it is. Once I was done cutting, this is how my floor mat looks like, and I love this so much. You can put these on your front door with a bigger rock on the bottom, but I decided to put mine on my fireplace, and I absolutely love it. We are a family of 5, my 2 kids, my dog, Hoppy, and me, and we enjoy outdoors, camping, and road trips, as well as crafts and home projects. And we try to be very organized and clean, but it can be very messy to keep our carpet spotless and car seats clean in our trips, especially with 2 kids and our crazy happy dog. So to clean those, we have the best help: our Hoover Clean Slate Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, a big solution for your spots and stains in a small compact design. Our Clean Slate works and clean our carpets amazing, and our car seats too. Remove the craziest stains with a full-size power, but it's super small and lightweight, and it's easy to store and take it anywhere with you. Sometimes we drive hours to reach our destiny for like our outdoors adventures, and of course we have to eat in the car and keep the kids entertained. Well, the seats of the car get super dirty, and it's good to clean them a few times a year. You can add a cleaning formula from Hoover to help removing the stains and others, and your machine already comes with all of the tools that you need for every mess. My car smells like new thanks to my Hoover, and oh, I love that feeling. And you can do the same with your carpets, fabric sofas, and even if you have carpet stairs. Just spray, scrub, and suction the stains with your Hoover Clean Slate. I have been scared so many times thinking that my carpet was damaged by paint, makeup, and dye stains that I thought will not come off, but I have been able to remove them with my Hoover Clean Slate, and it's just a peace of mind when messy days happen. Now that the carpet is clean, you just have to flush the dirt from your machine with the hose rinse tool and throw the dirty water. Give it a quick wash and you are done, my friend. Make sure that you check the link in the description box and get your Hoover Clean Slate Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, the perfect DIY cleaning solution for your spots and stains. Okay, let's go for the next DIY. You're going to need this bamboo wreath from Dollar Tree. I think they have 2 different sizes. You can choose the one that you like the most. And you are also going to need some dried branches. You can get this on your backyard. And what I did was to cut some small branches, and then I'm going to start putting them through my wreath. Super easy. I highly recommend using a bamboo wreath for this project, so you can be able to insert those branches through your wreath. So I make sure that I cover my whole wreath with the dry branches. You can put more, you can put less, depending on how big and full you want your wreath to look like. The next step is super easy. You are going to need some spray paint. I decided to go with black, and I paint the whole wreath outside, and that's it. Super easy. I just hang these on my fireplace, and I love the high-end look that it has. It was super easy, of course, on a budget. I just need the wreath from Dollar Tree and the branches from my backyard, some spray paint, and you have a beautiful Halloween wreath. For this next project, you're going to need these floral foams balls from Dollar Tree. They come 6 in a package, and you also need these reusable wipes from Dollar Tree. These ones are white because I'm going to be creating some ghosts out of these two things. I'm going to first cut my reusable wipe in half, so that way I can make 2 goats out of 1 reusable wipe. And what I'm going to do is super easy. I'm going to take one of these foam balls, and I'm going to add hot glue to the half of the ball, and then I'm going to put that in the middle of my wipe, and then I'm going to stick that. I'm gonna try to make like that ghost shape, and because the wipe is dry, it's kind of hard to have the ghost shape, so you have to put that in water and then remove all of the water, let it dry, and you are going to have the perfect ghost shape. It's a super easy process that anyone can do, and it's super cheap, and they are going to look amazing at the end. Once all of your ghosts are done, you can let them dry, and then you have to stick the eyes. I just use some cardboard in black color. I cut some circles, and then I'm going to start sticking the eyes on the ghost with some hot glue. Once a part is ready, you can do so many things with the goats. So I use a piece of twine, I make a knot, and I stick that knot in the head with some hot glue. I let them dry, and that way I was able to make a really cute garland for my fireplace. Once I was done, this is how my ghost garland looks like, and I really like it. You can do the same with maybe some fabric, or you can use the reusable wipes. For this next project, you are going to need a piece of branch that looks like a tree. I remove all of the leaves, and then I'm going to be using some black paint, and I'm going to spray paint these outside, and then I'm going to let it dry. Once it is dry, this is how it looks, and I really like it. Now you have to put these on a pot or something like that. I decided to use this black pitcher that I just have at home. I add some foam inside to be able to stick my branch, and then I cover everything with some moss from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using these cute bats that you can get at Dollar Tree. You maybe can use spiders or these bats, or maybe ghosts. You have so many options, and they have a clip, so I just clip them on my branches of my tree, and that's it. This is how they look. And I love this. It's a super easy DIY that anyone can do. I just buy the bats for this project because I have everything else, and I love the way it looks. Beautiful, high-end look, and everything was on a budget. This is how my fireplace looks like for Halloween, and I think it's super cute. We recently painted my fireplace black, and I think it looks stunning. You can watch that video on my other channel, JAZOMY Home, and I also share how I style it for the fall season, so you can check that on my other channel, JAZOMY Home. And please give me a big thumbs up if you like and enjoyed today's video. Let me know which of these DIYs was your favorite. Make sure that you are subscribed, and again, thank you so much to Hoover for sponsoring today's video. Make sure that you check the link of Hoover in the description box of the video. Again, thank you so much for the love and support, and see you on the next video. Mwah! Bye guys.